Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Safari not loading images on your iPhone. If your Safari browser failed to load images, then the first and initial workaround is completely close your Safari browser. Open Safari browser, and if any tab open, simply close all the tab and completely close the Safari browser. And again open Safari browser and check whether images are loading or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is swipe down and turn the cellular data off, and after some times again turn on your cellular data, and also turn on flight mode and wait 2 to 4 seconds, and after that again turn off airplane mode. Establish a proper network should be available for running Safari and loading images. So your network must be established network. So turn off cellular data and again turn on cellular data, and also flight mode turn off and turn on again. The next one is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here tap on cellular data and choose cellular data option. Here go to data mode and make sure that low data mode is not set. Either choose standard or allow more data on 5G. If you have set it as low data mode, then disable it first, choose a standard or allow more data on 5G, and check whether Safari image is loading or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings again. Here scroll down, go to app section, and here look for Safari settings. Tap on Safari. You may simply search VPN, and if you have added any VPN connection to your iPhone, simply remove all VPN connection added to your iPhone and go back. If you have added any VPN connection to your iPhone, remove all VPN connection on your iPhone. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down, go to apps. Here scroll down and look for the option Safari. Tap on Safari settings. Here scroll down and look for extensions. If you have added any extensions to your Safari browser, simply turn off extensions. So turn the toggle button off against allow extensions, and check whether your Safari browser image loading problem resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to app section. Tap on apps. Here look for Safari settings. Tap on Safari settings. Here scroll down and tap on clear history and website data. Clear your Safari browser history, caches and cookies and site data. Choose all history, close all tabs and clear history. And after that, check whether Safari browser image loading problem resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down, go to apps. Again scroll down and look for Safari settings. Tap on it. Here scroll down and tap on advanced. Here scroll down and make sure that JavaScript is duly enabled. If you found JavaScript is disabled mode, then turn the toggle button on against JavaScript. JavaScript must be enabled mode. Thereafter check whether your Safari browser image loading problem resolved or not. If not, on the same page tap on features flags, and here at the bottom of the page scroll down and go to bottom of the page, and you will find the option reset all the defaults, all to defaults. Tap on these options, feature, flags, set it as default. Close the windows and check whether your Safari browser image loading issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The one more fixes is tap on settings of your iPhone, tap on general settings, here tap on software update, and if any iOS update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of browser related issue and app related issue appeared, so you must update it with latest iOS update in your iPhone. One more settings, tap on transfer or reset iPhone on the same page, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and tap on reset again, and after that restart your iPhone. Your problem should be definitely be resolved.